YouTube just added the option to split test thumbnails in YouTube Studio. Until now, I used TubeBuddy for A/B testing. The new feature works a bit differently. YouTube asks for 3 thumbnails to test. When you upload a video, you can see it right under the description box. You have 3 options. First, you can upload a single file, which is like before when you could add your thumbnail. Second, you can generate from your video, which is also the same as before. You click on it, and in the new window, you will see 3 options that are just cut from your video, and you can choose from them. Then click Done. The most interesting is for testing. Click on the third option, and you need to upload 3 different thumbnails. I use Canva to create different thumbnails. You can take 2 approaches. Create 3 completely different thumbnails or make very subtle differences. I know this thumbnail is working for me, so I just changed some words on it to see what will catch. The test ran for at least 2 weeks. When you go to your Content tab in YouTube Studio, you can see the video that the test is on by seeing 3 different thumbnails for the video. After the test ends, you will see only 1 thumbnail. You should check to see what happened. Click on the video to get to the editor and then go to the thumbnail section. You will see the words Test Finished. Click on the 3 dots and you will find the test report there. In my case, the test ended without a solution because the video didn't get enough views. This feature is good for new videos or videos that didn't perform well in the past but have potential. You can switch to a different thumbnail if you think it will be better from here. If you want to start a test again, you need to upload all the thumbnails again. I wish they had the option to restart the previous test. When you start a new test, the old one will be deleted. I will continue testing thumbnails because they are very important for the performance of the video. To get more tips on how to upload your video to YouTube to gain more views, watch this video next.